Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to get free ringtones on your iPhone or iPhone 3G. First, what you have to do is get FrostWire. It's a program to get music for free and other stuff from other programs. And download any song that you want. I downloaded Homecoming. I already have it, but just search it up and get it. Then you have to open up iTunes and GarageBand. I have them already open. Go to your iTunes and go to recently added. The song that you downloaded should be at the top. Drag it and drop it into GarageBand. Let it convert for a minute. Once it finishes converting, drag it all the way down to the front. After you do, search for when the chorus is. There it is. After that, go to the little snippet and this will come up. This little crosshair thing allows you to crop what you want to crop. All you do is click and drag. Then it should highlight it and you press delete. Now go back to the beginning, play, let it play until you want it to stop. I want it to stop right here. So I let it right there, and at the bottom I just do a little snippet again. And now it looks very short, right? All you do is share ringtone to iTunes. Adjust, and right here, this is a little loop thing. Just drag it and drop it to where you want to stop. And now click all the way back and play. And there you go, there's your ringtone. Go to share, send ringtone to iTunes, let that finish, and there it is. Sorry, I gave it the wrong name. And now all you do is plug in your iPhone, plug your iPhone into your computer, let it pick it up, and let it start syncing. Now you have free ringtones on your iPhone.